Looking for a reliable power solution for high-speed trains or industrial systems? The FZ2400R12HE4P-B9 from Infineon is an IGBT power module designed for demanding, high-power applications. In modern rail systems, modules like this are essential for efficient power conversion and stable motor control, even under tough conditions. That means smoother acceleration, better energy efficiency, and long-term reliability for your projects. The FZ2400R12HE4P-B9 is built to meet the needs of advanced transportation and industrial systems where performance and durability are critical. US Component is your trusted source for this module and other quality power semiconductors. If you need the FZ2400R12HE4P-B9 or want to learn more, just email sales@uscomponent.com. Again, that's sales@uscomponent.com. US Component is here to help you power your next project with confidence.